Aries, this is your channel messages for my Aries placements, the Emperor. This is your message for the 11th to the 13th, okay? I feel like that reading can last a couple of days, okay, Aries? Anyways, the channel cards are Neptune, the Nine of Swords, the Runner. She's a runner, she a track star. She gonna run away when it gets hard. Okay, so I'm getting the Runner and we have the Queen of Cups. So I'm getting something about a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman getting caught in her lies. Now, hopefully that was the time that she spent lying. She was spending training, because I'm getting she's running from her fucking problems. I don't know if somebody owes somebody money. We have Neptune here. Neptune rules dreams and illusions. I'm getting something about a Pisces. I'm getting something about a Pisces going homeless, or a Pisces getting evicted from somewhere and them a wander the street. But also getting something about I'm getting something about you in the belly of the beast. So I don't know if you're behind enemy lines or your lies has caught up with you. I'm getting nobody now help you. You're outcasted, you're blacklisted. I'm getting no help, no support, nothing. I'm also getting the porcupine. I know porcupines, when them know you, them won't stick you, but porcupines are sticky. Them stick, right? Well, they'll prick you. I'm not sure what the difference between a porcupine and a hedgehog is, but we knew out of the two species, Sonic made it big. Not only as a character in a game, but also Sonic for their desserts. Anyways, Aries, let's go ahead and go into the reading. I'm also getting, be careful, something might stick you. Something might stick you in your foot. Wait. I forgot this thing. Something might stick you in your foot, Aries. So be careful. Alright. I'm not sure if you're running from a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. As in divorce. Breaking up. Separation. Either way, let's go ahead and see what's in your reading, Aries. First card out. We have a Death card. I don't know where you're running from. I'm getting something is catching up to you. I don't know if you owe money to people. I don't know if your life is being threatened. I'm getting you behind enemy lines, which would also means right now you're under protection. I'm getting, all right, the 13, I'm getting a Scorpio. Something about the Death card, something about a Scorpio. We have the Moon card as Pisces. So something about the death of a Scorpio or the death of a Pisces. I'm getting the only way out, Aries, if somebody confess them sins. I'm not talking about, there's a Pope here in the Death card, but I'm not talking about going to a pastor and confessing your sins. I'm getting something about you're gonna have to repent in front of everybody. I'm getting something about this dream, something about this Pisces and Scorpio. We have a Ten of Pentacles, something about your family. Is this your family member? Or are you adopted into a new family? You might even find out so your family have it out for you. Like your family set you up on a one-way street, on a one-way. I don't know. I feel like if you move out of your family house, me getting wherever you live, them a call the landlord or them a call your roommates there and telling your roommates there for fuck with you or the things to you. This can go as far as drugging you. Make you drink with them, make you smoke with them. I don't know if they want to rob you. We have the Angel, okay, but you keep, I don't know if you're alone, like you stay alone. I know Pisces and Cancers, also Scorpios, are very intuitive people. So if you feel like something wrong, I'm getting you back out. I'm getting something about a Sagittarius, something about your family. Maybe you'll find out before. Yeah, maybe you're going to find out before somebody died, they left you something, a lot of money, like them wanted you to be safe, them wanted you to be well taken care of. I'm getting something about being in a family with a Sagittarius, or I'm getting something about the Pisces. Like the Pisces passed on, the Pisces died, and because of that, you get something. We have the Tower card. Me getting somebody outside, them homeless, nobody now help them. Me don't know if your house just demolished or you get evicted or all of a sudden you just lose everything. Me getting you lose everything. like a dream. You get this dream. I don't know if this dream warned you about something, or the dream warned you to leave this building before something happened. The moon card is clarified by the Page of Swords. The Ten of Pentacles is the Three of Swords. The Temperance is the Four of Swords. Yeah, me getting your family, something about your family, something about evicting you, something about you on the street. Me don't know if you're in a weird family dynamic where when one is not doing well, everybody else is up and okay, and them not help you. And then me getting years pass, and then you're doing well, you get back on your feet, and somebody else's feet get cut off. Like your other family member now work. Me getting every time one family member work, the other one does not. Even if it's a big family. But me getting like your family, I tell you, if I come, make me help you, come stay with us. But me getting something about this building where you're in this weird building. Me don't know if your family have you living in a weird ass house that is known for have weird things happening there. Or me getting your family ask you to come to this place because for some reason if you're in the building, they won't get evicted. I don't know what this is. We're getting something about your family. I don't know if your family are betrayed because of inheritance. Something about you not talk to your family, so your family not getting access to money. But we're getting something about the Pisces. Yeah, the Chariot. Something about the police officer, like the police going to be called. Something about a sheriff. We have the Lovers. Who are you sleeping with? Are you sleeping with a Cancer? You're sleeping with a police officer? Me getting something is pricking you. It prick like porcupine. It's a prick you. I'm not sure. This is not Miss Medical Advice. YouTube technicians, Google technicians. I don't know if YouTube technicians and Google technicians are the same. This is not Miss Medical Advice. I'm trying to tell my viewers, especially the men, if the head of your penis is feeling prickly, like there's needles on it, it may be yeast infection. So you might need Keniston external cream. YouTube technicians, stop blocking my fucking content because I'm trying to tell my viewers, especially the men, why the head of their penis is prickly. You know what's misinformation? Hi, I'm Emily, and you can study with a Google Cybersecurity Certificate in as low as 6 months. Listen, before I came to Google, I said to myself, I did not know what my future looked like. And after completing the Google Cybersecurity Certificate in as less as 3 months, I saw a new vision for Mr. Emily lie. Google lie. Talking about Miss Medical Advice. I'm trying to tell my viewers why the head of the penis is always feeling like there's needles there. Talking about Miss Medical Advice. Where is my Google, where is my cybersecurity job that you promised me? Emily! Anyways, I'm not sure who you're having sex with. I don't know. I'm getting somebody out. Them outside, them out on the street. This could be you had your own place, you had everything for yourself, and I'm getting you meet a man. And the man is not mixed with your business, him is not mixed with your rent, but somehow after meeting this man, you lose everything. Perhaps him obey you. He did voodoo, he put the wasting on you. He make sure say your life are gonna mash the fuck up. I'm getting something about a Pisces. Or something about, I don't know if you catch your husband a cheat. Me say me hear upon the radio yesterday, this girl, she calling, bing-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Hi, how can we help you? Fix my life. Her husband gonna get one erotic massage and she wanna know if he's cheating. Yes, bitch. You Canadian women are so weird sometimes. And she not left him, and here she know. Listen, I'm a very open-minded person. So if he got the massage, it was an erotic massage. That means the girl them naked, or the girl's half naked, or your man came at the end. And she said he been talking for a very long time that he wanted a massage. Why you never give him one? Or you never just book it for him? And send him go on all Slovakian masseuse. Now he your husband gonna get erotic massage. And she not left him. She not going to leave him. So she called the radio station. She said she not tell nobody about it other than the radio station. No, her voice is on the radio. Might as well. It was running through an AI program. And she not gonna let him because she going to say it's not. It was an erotic massage. And she said, she tell him, if I went to get an erotic massage, wouldn't that be cheating? Him said, no. Sweetie, your mans don't like you and he like masseuse women. What you talking about? If me here say my man did get me the one madam get erotic massage, but that's shit. More thing we talk to Anthony Miller. Your man cheat. That's cheating. Why am I gonna say just get one massage? It's erotic. That was the whole point. The whole point of getting an erotic massage is to feel erotic. Erotic is sex, it's porn. Your dick, I gonna come, the man cheat on you. And she might say, okay, she not gonna divorce her man's or she not gonna leave her husband because I'm cheat on her. But this is the type of shit I be talking about. You get married, fucking on you. You have baby and you get pregnant, fucking on you. You're up in your career on YouTube, them a fuck on you. You're single, them a fuck on you. I can't catch them fighting for my fucking life. And y'all think this is a fucking joke? Yes, babe. Your man cheated. That's cheating. But you can take him back if you want, because chances are she ain't gonna leave him. You know that these type of women, they don't leave their cheating husbands. And it's not the first time him do it. It's just the first time you caught the receipt. Anyways, if your man's a police officer, me getting him out, me don't know what going is, because me getting the chariot and me getting the world card. I don't know who you have to sleep with. But I'm getting something about eviction. I'm getting a Pisces outside. We have a number 3. We have CIA. Yeah, CIA is 3 acronyms. I'm getting something about your man. Or something about one Pisces of a runway. They have to flee because of some money. We have human and sex trafficking. We have the soul was sold, and we also have Illuminati. I don't know what this. Me getting you behind enemy lines. Are me getting all this shit where you do to people? Me getting there were talks, network talks among like internet. I don't know. Me getting you and some people was doing something to somebody. I'm getting like years pass, time pass, and now everybody get hip to you or them know about what you do. I'm getting the orders get sent back. And now the same people them who you go to and give the information to, me getting them a blacklist you, them not. Me getting you outside. Me don't know what protect you, because I feel like it's supposed to be eaten by now. But me getting something about a porcupine, like you have. Me getting something about your protection. Me don't know if this is weapons, but me getting like pricks. Something about pricks. I'm not sure if someone's a prick. I'm going to leave it here, Aries. Until next time. Bye.